expressing rational numbers in fraction form to decimal form. So, paano nga ba nag-change ng fraction into decimal? So, let's say yung given fraction has denominator of power of 10, such as 100, 10, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. So, for example, meron tayong 3 over 10. So, yung given numerator, yun yung magiging decimal digit natin. So, ano yung magiging basis kung nasan yung decimal point? So, nakadepende yon sa kung ano yung nasa denominator. So, from the right side of 3, magmo-move tayo ng isa. Bakit isa? Kasi isa lang yung 0 dun sa given denominator. Or, yung given must be on the 10th place. So, therefore, the answer will be 3/10. Then, how about kapag meron tayong 29 over 1,000? So, same thing. Yung 29 will serve as the decimal digit. Then, mula sa right side nung 9, magmo-move lang tayo ng 3 going to the left. Bakit 3? Kasi 3 yung zeros nung nasa denominator, meaning to say, it must be on the 1,000th place. So, dahil kulang ng digit, i-replace natin yon with 0. So, therefore, it is equal to 29 thousandths. And how about kapag meron namang whole number yung given? So, same thing, yung numerator natin ang magiging decimal digit. Then, from the right side of 9, magmo-move tayo ng 2 kasi 2 yung zeros. Then, yung whole number natin, ilalagay natin sa left side ng decimal point. So, therefore, the answer will be 5 and 9 hundredths. So, paano naman kapag yung given natin ay hindi power of 10 yung denominator? So, katulad ng 3 over 5 or 3/5. So, ganito siya ginagawa or kinu-convert into decimal. I-divide lang natin yung numerator, yung number na nasa taas ng fraction bar, by its denominator. So, 3 divided by 5. Since hindi natin madi-divide si 3 by 5, we need to add 0. So, kapag nag-add ka ng 0, remember na dapat meron kang ilalagay na decimal point. So, this will become 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So, wala nang digit na natira. Therefore, the answer is 6/10. So, next, we will have 1/3. So, ganun pa rin, we will divide 1 by 3. So, in this case naman, as you can see in the solution, hindi natatapos yung pagde-divide. Laging merong natitirang 1 or remainder na 1. So, ang tawag dyan is repeating decimal. So, kapag repeating decimal, maglalagay tayo ng tatlong dot after the digit o tinatawag na ellipsis, or pwede namang maglagay kayo ng bar sa taas ng digit na nagre-repeat, katulad neto, na tinatawag na vinculum. So, therefore, 1/3 is equal to 33 hundredths repeating. And last, we have 6 and 7 over 8. So, kapag may whole number, pwede namang ang gawin nyo muna, i-divide nyo yung fraction part. So, we will have 7 divided by 8. So, same procedure kanina, ang resulting value will be 875 thousandths. Then, yung whole number, ilalagay nyo lang siya on the left side of the decimal point.